time is it?
Time for trick shots.
Oh, yeah.
We live for the drop. Yeah, we live for the drop. Yeah, we live for the drop. Yeah, we live for the drop.
Here we observe a normal, ordinary couple on Valentine's Day. We've been spotted!
Crashing, hit a wall. Right now, I need a miracle. Hurry up now, I need a miracle. Stranded, reaching out. I call your name, but you're not around. I say your name, but you're not around. I need ya, I need ya, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling, I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down.
I'm Jacob Bay.
I'm Johan.
And this is the back.
To back.
Don't let me down. Running out of time. I really thought you were on my side.
I'm Jay Benz, and sometimes the guy holding the backboard meets the world.
I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling, I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let me down. Don't let me down.
Wow.
Wow.
That was great.
What a great shoot.
Just a great shoot overall.
I mean, how about that Valentine's Day dunk?
Yeah, that was awesome.
In the snow.
Yeah.
Hey, shout out to John Hare and Jody. I mean, what a
Seriously.
power.
Yeah, that's goals right there.
Yeah, I mean, on Valentine's Day, that takes guts.
Yeah.
And then we go to the new music building.
That was
Hey,
nice.
money well spent. It was our
Seriously.
tuition money, though.
Yeah.
So
That's true. Hey, it is a great place
For
for
sure.
trick shots.
Yeah, it is.
And then Light Center.
Yeah,
Live course.
that was great. Yeah. I mean, I'm not that great at basketball, but I think I'm good at trick shots.
Yeah, you're definitely
yeah.
good at trick
Yeah.
shots. I mean, it was a great shoot overall.
Yeah, it really was. Thanks for watching.
Keep an eye out for future videos coming from Dirty Bird Nation.
Be sure to like, follow, and share on Facebook and Twitter.
Dirty Bird Nation out.
Woo!